So you've probably heard people say they make money online while they sleep, and wondered, is that even real? Well, it is. And one of the easiest ways to start is through affiliate marketing. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how affiliate links can turn clicks into cash, even if you have 0 followers. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product or service. When someone buys through your special tracking link, that's your affiliate link, you earn a commission. No need to create your own product, deal with shipping, or handle customer service. Your job? Connect people to something they already want. You can join affiliate programs for almost anything: tech, fashion, online courses, even pet toys. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact let you start free. Just sign up, browse products that fit your niche, and grab your unique affiliate link. Now here's the trick. Don't just spam links. Create value first. Make a review video, write a how-to blog, post a comparison chart, or share your honest experience. People click when they trust you. The more helpful your content, the higher your conversion rate and your earnings. Use analytics to track what's working, which links get clicks, which ones actually make sales. Then double down on what performs best. Keep building content around those winners. Over time, your small daily commissions can snowball into serious passive income. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a get-paid-for-what-you-love system. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch your content work for you 24/7. Want me to break down how to pick your perfect affiliate niche? Hit like, subscribe, and let's make your first sale happen.